Okay, we're using the Allen wrench. And the little door opens up. Here's your lens at. Got the lens. Your light?
No.
Got light. Okay, and then we're putting the lens in. It looks like there's little notches that it fits in.
It's not dropping down into.
And I'm assuming we don't take out the other lens, right? You've left the other lens in. And you go to shut it. And it's like catching, and we don't want to smash it and break it. Super tight. And it's just like, yeah, that's crazy. And that's all it says to do, right? No taking out no seal, no taking out the glass. That's just the instructions, is to drop it in there. Because now if we put this in by itself, we obviously don't have the rubber seal.
Perfect fit.
But then when you close it, we don't have the rubber seal anymore, right? And it vibrates in there. So we're not exactly sure what we're supposed to do.
Nice tight fit, but yeah. And if we take the rubber off,
Yeah, right?
vibration will happen.
Yeah. So it just feels like it's way too thick and won't drop down in there.